Hello, my name is Mariana García Jiménez, 19 years old, course licenciatura en lenguas extranjeras con énfasis en inglés. What was the last person you had a ghost conversation with? The last person I had a conversation with was my mother. We talking about money, things like future, the present, what is happening in the economy of this country had the lack of work, climate change, so sudden the diseases that are fighting about the new reform, uh, at how expensive things are going to get about the family and the diseases we have. And we spend time talking about our day of study and work and short conversion, but in feeling meets why. I always speak and energy to share my different points of view why my favorite person. Thank you.